screw. There and there. Do you get it?
Yeah, I mean, it's
stop.
recording.
Let's,
Okay.
is it recording?
You want to rotate it? Mm-hmm.
No, blue side up.
Okay.
Pause.
I'm recording.
Look this up. Is the rounded side up or down? Pause. The screws. Can you see the screws? Do you need the light?
I can see them.
Okay. Since Blue's fucking yesterday. Alright. 2 screws. Keep going. Alright, you can pause.
Mm-hmm.
So it's bearing, plate, washer, keep going. You clean this off, you can see what side's up, what side's down. Hit pause. The 3 dots are on the up. The was it 2, 4, 6 dots go on like this. Pause. Well, they'll go together. Yeah, 2 washers go together. Got it?
Yep.
So the spring is in there. Let's see if this comes off easily. Don't do it that way. Did you see how this was in there in plastic?
Mm-hmm.
This should. I can take this off. These 2 screws. Hold that spring down. Plate. And pause. That screw right there. That's probably a different size. I don't want to think. And pause. Alright, go ahead, I mean.
Sorry.
No, it doesn't pull out like that. Okay. Looks like I have to pop off that. Clip. Try not to go flying. Okay, can you see the order? Looks like there's a brass on the outside. Oh, there it goes home. I got it. No, not really. There it goes. Get the light in. Or can you see? So brass is on the outside.
Mm-hmm.
Then that plastic thing, whatever that is. And this goes through. And that just so okay, so it goes clip, brass. The clip goes on top of the brass, on top of the plastic. And that goes like that. So clip, brass, plastic. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. The spring goes on top of this. This clip comes off to go through here. Beneath the whatever this thing's called. It's a brass washer. So a brass washer goes down, then the felt pad goes on top. And cut. Ready?
Mm-hmm. It's going. All I see is hands.
You saw it before though. Alright, clips off. Maybe. And it looks like there is a brass washer pin, hopefully pulls straight out. And no, it does not. Let's remove the brass. You can pause, you get the idea.
Yep.
This comes up, and the part with the indention. You see the indention?
Mm-hmm.
Goes down. It goes towards that screw. And this should be it. Pause.
What do you want to do?
Just that with the indentions out.
Okay.
Alright, got it.